If you're working at height, doing hot work, like welding or grinding, where there's hot sparks that may land on you or your equipment, it's worth thinking about your fall protection equipment and whether you're doing enough of that hot work to think about having harnesses and lanyards and other equipment that's hot work rated items. So the standard webbing that's used in fall protection equipment, so harnesses and lanyards like this, if sparks land on that webbing, the hot sparks will burn through the webbing. So you get holes and the strength of the webbing will be reduced dramatically. For hot work, we have different sorts of fall protection equipment that's made from different materials. Like this is a Kevlar hot work lanyard. So this is part of the protector range that's made by 3M. So 3M make both of these items. So that's the standard protector 2-meter lanyard. This is the hot work one. So that's Kevlar. There's other products like Nomex as well. That's also a great hot work material. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch if you're doing hot work and you need advice and assistance on specific fall protection equipment for working at height safely doing hot work.